Or you can download Arduino IDE and code your Arduino programs in embedded C language. So open any browser. I'm going to open Chrome, and here you have to type Arduino IDE. And you will see multiple links, but you have to open Arduino.cc software. The interface will look like they have upgraded their interface. Here you can see download options, and you can download Arduino IDE in Windows, Linux, and macOS. As I am Windows user, I am going to download Windows 1 64-bit Arduino IDE. Here we can contribute about of $3, 5, 10, 25, and 50 and other. I'm not going to contribute right now, and I'm just going to download, and just click download. I have already downloaded Arduino IDE, so I'm not going to re-download now, and I'm just going to download in my system. So here it is, my application Arduino IDE. Just double click it on, and just click on I agree. I'm going to use all this. I'm going to choose anyone who uses this computer. That means all users can use my Arduino IDE. Okay. So this is administrator access. I agree. Now I'm going to change my installation path from C to E. You can also change your installation path as per your preference. I'm going to install in install software Arduino IDE. Okay, just click on install. This is taking much time. Oh, okay, just wait for a minute till Arduino IDE is installing in my system. Let's fast forward the installation process. Mm. Now installation is completed. Just click on finish, and your Arduino IDE will automatically open. Just wait for some time. Now code windows open, and here you can write your code, program your Arduino. In another video, I will show you how you can write your code and boot in your Arduino kit. Thank you.